In today's video, we are going to talk about what pepper spray is and how you can carry it confidently. First of all, pepper spray is a non-lethal self-defense tool that utilizes oleoresin capsicum, which is a naturally derived chemical from hot peppers. Having a tool like pepper spray, as Chuck Hagard puts it, gives you a tool between a harsh word and a lethal form of self-defense. It provides a valuable means of de-escalation, especially when we're using the model of de-escalation known as ask, tell, and make. This is a common technique used by law enforcement to explain that if you're ever in a situation where you need to de-escalate, in other words, get someone to get further away from you to create space and to get to safety, you can first ask that person to do so, tell them to do so more assertively, and then if needed, you can escalate to something like pepper spray or something of a more lethal means depending on the situation, to make them ultimately. While we may go over some legal principles in this video, this is not a video for direct legal advice. Let's talk about how pepper spray actually works. Oleoresin capsicum is a concentrated extract from hot chili peppers, essentially. It's responsible for intense burning of any of the respiratory tissues, as well as any openings like your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. It can cause things like intense eye burning, involuntary eye closure, coughing, shortness of breath, and momentary disorientation. While these effects are temporary, they provide you with a critical window for you to get to safety. Now let's talk about the 3 types of pepper spray you'll see on market. The first is a stream pattern, which basically kind of looks like this. And of course, if you couldn't see that very well or get a good feel for it, that's the importance of choosing a brand that comes with an inert trainer. It's ultimately important that you get your hands on it because just like any tool for self-defense, it does require training. The second is mist or fog, which is a larger pattern and can often lead to more blowback. The last type is gel, which the best way to explain this is to think of silly string. It's kind of a sticky material and pattern. And at the end of the day, while gel has less blowback, it can often have a longer onset time. Palm utilizes the stream pattern I mentioned earlier. They have up to a 12-foot range with consistent reach, as well as a no drip formula. Palm utilizes a flip top safety cap. Unlike a twist cap, it will not accidentally discharge in your pocket. Now, no one individual has the same needs, so let's talk about which palm unit would be best for you. For everyday carry, we have a clip model and a keychain model. If you're someone who works with self-defense professionally, you might check out our larger capacity unit known as the MK3. The MK3 unit has a durable belt clip to ensure you can easily add it to your everyday carry. Additionally, it has Palm's maximum strength formula so that you are as safe as can be. If you're someone who runs frequently, Palm has a unit made just for you. The rugged unit has a glove that will fit the Palm pepper spray unit in it so that when you're running, you can focus on exactly that, rubbing. And lastly, if you're someone who wants a unit for home defense, we have a home defense unit. At the end of the day, consistency is key. However you choose to carry, be sure to train like so and carry like so. Lastly, know your laws. While pepper spray is legal in 50 states, there are some states that have restrictions. To carry confidently, you've done the first step, which is to watch this video. The next thing you need to do is train. Like I said earlier, luckily, Palm has an inert unit that allows you to train and understand the stream pattern without harming yourself or others. To learn more about our individual products, head over to palmpepperspray.com, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment what you would like to learn about next.